Da, da, da. And I was wow, I look rough as shit. Righty ho, morning everyone. Let's just get some tunes on. Oh, get off, boy. Holy shit, that's loud. Righty ho, righty ho. Welcome everyone. Morning. Welcome to another beautiful day.
It's good, gang.
What up, my boy?
Chilling, boy.
Not too bad. See, when we left that fucking NY session, just ranged the whole time. Like,
Yeah, that was ugly price action.
Yeah, bro. Right, okay. Beautiful. So, got that already. Nice.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Morning in the Zoom, morning in the YouTube. Welcome. So, it is another good day. Let's take a look, and we'll just do some pairs. Let me just take some Instagram pictures and stuff. Hope everyone did well yesterday. Looked like towards Asian we pulled away, but this crap over here, this was nasty. Tried to take a buy over here on the flip of the candle when we got to close above here, I think. Then this candle flipped, and then we just drove down, and then it continued down. So from then on, I actually stopped the NY session and said the price action is bad. We should leave the session and come back tomorrow, and that's exactly what happened. This is like shit price action. So being able to identify that is very important. Let me just do oh, I've got a nice cup of tea. Yes, beautiful. So yeah, we're going to be going through the pairs today. Just let me just do a Instagram. Wow, 13 people already. Morning. Morning. Let me just do this one. Oh shit, that's a picture of me. Morning squad, we are back in the YouTube. Make sure to come and join us live trading. Let's take a look at GJ. Let's go. Come and join the fun. Link in bio for my YouTube. Right, beautiful. So today we're going to be doing the same as we did yesterday, but the first thing is what we do is we look for Forex Factory. People in the Telegram group, I'm hoping you guys have labeled your charts out so I can have a look at them in a second. Make sure to put them in this group right about here, this one. Make sure you put your charts in here just like yesterday. I want to see some charts. Right, so Forex Factory over here, GP news, tentative. This is bond auctions. 150 some GBP news as well. Nothing really much over here. Okay, pretty good. US Federal Powell speaks later on, but for us we're okay. Someone says look at gold. Let me just take a look at this beautiful pair. Oh fuck, when did that happen? 7 AM? Holy shit. Damn, son. Well, it looks like we missed that drop anyway, but suppose breaking down from support over here. Nice. So I'm going to go through all of these pairs of the sec. So let's just get rid of all of our lines from yesterday. So looks like we're coming up over here. Let's look at the daily. Daily's bullish. This candle didn't close above resistance, but you know it's nice potential. But there is wicks here to fill and to continue. Music is loud. All right. Okay. 1 second over here. 1 second over here. That shouldn't be loud. 1 second. think it's too loud. Don't think it's too loud, boss man. Beautiful. So, yeah, we're coming up over here. So let's look at the daily. We've got the daily flip right about this level. Beautiful. So let's put this in. This is the daily flip over here. Beautiful. Right, at this point, let's lock this in so you can't have to move it. Let's look at the 4 hour over here. 4 hour is over here. Nice. So let's put that in. 4 hour flip. Gorgeous. So you can see higher time frames were bullish. It's looking good over here. And we're coming towards a resistance level. So you can see we have resistance at this point. So maybe closures above that in the next couple 4 hours will give us confirmation that we're continuing up. So let's go down to the lower time frames over here. Let's look at the 1 hour and the 30-minute and stuff. So you can see that through 4 a.m. to like 6 a.m., 7 a.m. it's a bit slow. So it's a bit slow over here. Hourly's got 27 minutes left, hasn't exceeded the low yet, and has exceeded the high. It looks like we are starting to make some support as well on the 4 hour, which is interesting. So, but this price action for me isn't the best. I'm not liking this price action. But let's just draw some zones up. So I'm going to say that this is support, because price at this point is holding support right here and here. Also, this was resistance, so this is a very, very key level. As long as you stay above this level, it's looking good for buys. And for me, I'm going to be wanting, closures above 152,520. And if we look left, let's see if there's any traffic. So I'm always looking left because this is literally the newest data that you could possibly get. And it looks like we are good to continue. So look, when price came before, we tapped this zone over here. So you can see that from zone to zone, it's probably around about here. To fill these wicks up over here, so that's nice. It's like a nice range, and then to continue further on, we can hit back at these highs over here. This is the next zone. Beautiful. So let's go along. So as long as we get a closure above 152,520, could be quite nice to continue. Might wait for the hourly closures above 152,520. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice, Bruno. Caught 2.5% today. Beautiful. How much did you risk on that trade? That gold sell was delicious as well. Damn. So yeah, I'm gonna be patient over here, waiting for this flip. Hopefully we can get in the next 10 minutes to close above. Then we could maybe take some pre-London buys over here to then continue up and yeah, start pushing. What do you think about that, guys? What do you think about that, Antonio? Because I'll be flipping the hour over here. Hasn't exceeded the lows. So continue.
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now.
Could be a good option. Could be a good option. Wow, 37 people already. Sheesh, that's a whole lot of people. Amazing, guys. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and like, all that good stuff. I'm not going to say it again, but I want to say it again. It's so close to 1,000. Beautiful. Also, we're coming up over here. Beautiful. But I'm not going to take any impulses because we're not silly. I'm going to wait for 10 minutes.
Yeah. No.
See if we get a closure over here. Because you don't know about impulses. This candle over here pushed up, couldn't exceed the highs. This candle here pushed up, couldn't close above. So for me, I need to wait for a closure. Beautiful. So yeah, this is GJ. Very, very simple, very easy for me. Sells are only going to be valid. Oof, probably not going to be valid at all, to be honest. The daily is still so bullish. So I'm not even going to look at sells today, to be honest. And yeah, we just need to focus on these buys over here. So hopefully in 9 minutes time it can just chill, make a nice low wick, and then continue. So looks like gold. Oh, gold's just flipped over here. Oh,
I'm looking at a 30-minute salary player on GJ happening right now.
oh yeah, it is. So where we just stop be over here.
Current candle lows.
Yeah, that could be a good option. Oof. That's flipping the hourly.
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
I just got in.
Yeah, man, bro. I want it to pull back a little bit.
Let's see.
Right, so 30-minute has exceeded the highs over here. I'm gonna wait another 8 more minutes, I think. So if it runs off, that's fine, but for me, I'm gonna wait another 8 more minutes, and then yeah, could take a nice trade over here. Just gonna get ready for a signal then, maybe. But wow, 42 people in the chat. Make sure to like the stream if you guys haven't already. Beautiful. But yeah, as I said, guys, make sure to put your charts in for Discord and the stream, all that good stuff. So it's going to be around about this area, 1525. TP2 should be around about 700 over here. Right, gorgeous. And then TP3 could be 850. Beautiful. Right, so that's already set in place. 48 viewers, amazing, guys. Oh yeah, trades called and trades taken. Good, thank you, Saminda. Let's do this over here. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Beautiful. So let's come back up over here. Oof, got this 5 minute. Got the hourly. Yeah, current candle stops is quite a good idea. Quite a good idea.
Yeah.
I'm good. I just want to get this closed. That'll give me more confirmation over here. As in GJ, it's 70.45. It closed above. Would you still enter the trade although it is near London Open? Exactly. So sometimes I will, sometimes I won't, but most times I don't. But if we do get this close above over here, then sorry, I will get the lower wick and exceeding. I probably will. But when it comes towards London over here, if I'm in profits, I will have my stop loss to break even because I know the hourly has to make a lower wick, etc., etc. So that is my thing. I just like to say I've been following you since 300 followers on IG. You're the man. Oh, that's sick, man. Thank you very much, bro. 300 followers? Damn. Damn, 300 followers. I think we got like 4,000 now. So yeah, closures in 6 minutes time. Pretty nice over here. We'll have to see. I want it to close above though. Okay, 7 pips on gold security when it broke 5-minute lows. Nice setup. Oof, yeah. Oh, it's coming down over here. This is tasty. This is looking nice. So daily time frame over here. So daily is pretty bearish at this point. Daily flip. Fucking hell, why is my mum put no fucking tea in this motherfucker? Shit's like, I should say dish liquid, like fucking washing up liquid. 4 hour, nice. So we're coming towards a 4 hour support over here, which is going to be interesting to see. We've got some wick fills over here. You can see we are very, very bearish. And I mean, if this hourly closes below over here, then I'm going to wait for the top wick and we could actually get some nice GJ sells at that point. Yeah, so closures below here as well. Yeah, it's going to be looking nice. So I'll wait 20 minutes, see where we can get the closures. But if the hourly closes below and has a nice top wick, could be decent. Could be pretty decent. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, 4 minutes time. It's looking good. Looking good to continue. Beautiful. 57 views a minute and only 21 likes. Let's get them likes up, guys. Beautiful. We'll wait patiently. Right. 21 likes, beautiful stuff. Everything's all good over here. So I'm going to take a look for some charts now. Let's take a look. So Michael put a chart in over here. This is GJ. He's looking for buys above. We can now see sells here, but the daily will still be bullish. Yeah, I think if you do get closures back in this range over here, it could be good for sells. Good sells below daily and 4 hour. Yeah, beautiful. So very, very clean setup, very easy from zone to zone. You're breaking up this zone over here. You want buys above. Looking good. Looking very, very solid. So yeah, I'm gonna be very, very patient. So if this candle over here closes back in here, that is not confirmation for me. If it closes like right about here, like 520, I'm not gonna be in this. Not gonna be looking at it. Sorry. 4 hours, still got 2 hours left. It's got a lot of time over here. Nice. So yeah, 3 minutes time, and hopefully we can make a nice bottom wick, and then exceed. And that'll be a really, really good trade option over here. But yeah, let's take a look at Discord over here. If you guys have enjoyed the Discord, I think the bot just put it in before. Yeah, make sure to check the Discord out. Someone just put in a new book. Let's have a look at charts for the stream. Okay, so today we got Easy U. Looking for 30-minute candle closure above 550. As price move in Asia, I want to see it retrace and make a support to retest the high. Yeah, that's beautiful. So, because it's already moved quite a lot, they're wanting to expect some support to be formed to then ride it back up. Beautiful. Very, very simple, very easy. That's how it should be done. Very, very nice. I think we can see a pullback of GJ in London session because it is overbought. Yeah, I think be careful about this overbought thing, because you know, some people might have been saying that down here. You know, people will be like, oh, it's overbought here, it's overbought, runs up. Oh, it's overbought here, runs up. Oh, it's overbought here, runs up. You know what I mean? It kind of, you'll be saying that for a long time. It's only overbought when you get to probably 156, but then if you look into the higher time frames over here, it actually can go to 200. So nothing's really overbought. Try not to just try and predict where the charts are going to go over here. Ooh, look at this pullback now. So Antonio, what is the crack?
Yeah, right now I just closed full because we flipped bearish, and now I don't want price to flip bearish. So
yeah,
for it to continue up, it needs to, you know, obviously break the highs and continue.
Yeah, so
which it failed to do.
Beautiful, beautiful. So how much was that? A minus? That was quite good.
Minus 6 pips.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
That's management over here. So
or something like that.
So you can see, if you just look.
Minus 7.
Beautiful. If you just look at the price action over here, you know, like long wicks, weird bodies coming up, then big sells down, then coming back up. It's quite bad price action for me. Like GJ is not tickling my pickle at the moment, so I can just chill over here. Trade what you see and not what you think, bro. Yes. Very, very true. Because, bro, the amount of times when I was younger, I used to try and fucking be an inside trader and take some, like, footsie sells on, like, before Boris talked. Like, oh, mate, you just even if you win at one time, you're just gambling. Like, there's no point. No point at all, so. Why is my room so cold? Holy fuck. It's freezing. So how did that YouTube video do yesterday? It was quite a fun video. I just fucked about with it. Let's take a look at it. 969. Oh my god. 203 views, 204 views. We got 720 views yesterday. Fuck. That shit fire. So look, candle over here closed right on support. Like I said, it's actually a bit lower. Let's look at the 30-minute. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, so it's gonna give us more confirmation if we just wait another 15 minutes to see where this candle closes. So I'm always looking, oh shit, I'm always looking to the timing of candles because it's very, very important. Winter now, bro. Yeah, fucking facts, man. It's winter, boy. Too cold, too cold. Beautiful. Yeah, we're just waiting over here. We're gonna take a look at some other pairs as well. But yeah, I really want to see this hourly close below support over here, and then there's nice candles to flip and stuff like that. Hopefully I can get a nice top wick and then to drive down. Oh my god, my phone's buzzing. So yeah, very, very good over here. Oh, we got a new subscriber over here. Scott Johnson, welcome, welcome, my man. Beautiful. Sorry, 1 second. There we go. Oh, Benny boy, looking good, bro. Only popped in to say hi, going to sleep as I'm ill as fuck with flu. But Ben, I'm fucking ill as shit. I've been ill on these streams literally for the past fucking 4 days. I think I'm pretty ill. I couldn't work, man. I'm fucking coughing. I'm sneezing. I'm dying, man. So let's take a look at GPAUD over here. Let's take a look. Still paper trading this one. COVID. Nah, I did a test. I think it was COVID. We were basically me and Ben. So Ben in the chat over here. We went out like partying quite a lot. So the past couple of weeks we've been out quite a lot, and I think we've got freshest flu. So yeah. Freshest flu. That's like when uni students go back and shit. I think that's what I've got. Cause I'm fucking ill as shit. Wow. So reacted off the support over here. Let's do a analysis from the higher time frames again. Rough. Yeah, I'm fucking rough. So looks like it's a bit range over here. I don't really like this higher time frames in GPAUD. So let's do this. Daily flip. Oh wait. Beautiful. So daily flip. Let's look at the 4 hour over here. It's pulling up. Hasn't exceeded the high of the previous 4 hour, so it could be still classed as a bearish kind of setup over here. But it is reacting on support. Feel like a Luna reversal is about to happen. Ooh, could be. Yeah, but wait for the hourly is going to give us more confirmation about that. So zones. Well, I mean, if we do get sells below this zone over here, 1.87571. That's going to be looking pretty nice. So sells below here are going to be looking beautiful. And why I say below there is because the price came all the way back down there before and it couldn't close below. So below 1.87576. So as I said before, I'm actually going to post an Instagram picture today of yesterday and basically talking about how when price is looking like this, 1 second, like this, you need to be able to identify this and you need to be able to not take any trades. So it's very, very important. Good traders are also good traders that can take no trades in a day and be happy with it. I took a little loss at NY right here and I was like, nope, the price action's garbage, and that's what it was. It was fucking garbage. So yeah. So for me, for sells, I'm not gonna take any sells. I mean, it'd be completely against all that I stand for. You know, I stay in the higher time frames. I know the 4 hours can flip you over here. The daily's so fucking bullish, right here. So yeah, I'm gonna take my time over here. I mean, sells only if it closes back in this range, I think. So right back in this range, but then therefore it could make support here, so it's very unlikely to be taking sells in GJ today. I think it just needs to play out. I think it'll make support right about these zones over here, and then we can start to ride it up. So beautiful. Very, very easy. Oh god, sorry guys. 29 likes. Make sure to like the stream if you haven't already. Make sure to bash that like button. And yeah, I think I've got Nightbot to be less fucking aggressive on kicking people, and I've also done it so it can like just puts out stuff every so often, so that's good. Let's take a look at some more charts over here. See in Telegram if we've got any. No more. Only Michael Boy has done one. Only Michael Boy. I'll be having a word with some of my members over here. I wanted you to do some more markouts. That is the homework. Beautiful. So let's take a look at Discord over here. I'm actually going to be doing a Discord update. I'm going to make it a little bit more fresher, so I can post more stuff in. But yeah, guys, if you want to put some charts in here, make sure to do so. Try not to do GJ now. Try and do different charts, and I'll take a look at them. What other charts would you guys want to look at now? You guys put one of the charts you'd like to look at. So it's coming down over here, nice. So 30 minutes bearish, flipping exceeding the lows. Hourly is going to go and exceed the lows over here, nice. But for me, you know, sells, there's too much traffic here, because look, there's wicks to this point, there's support here, and there's support here. So for me, there is not enough, and that's only like 9 pips away. So not the best for me, to be honest. So always look about that, look at the move and see what is bad about this move. And if like nothing's bad about it, then you can start to go, oh wow, I like an enter over here. 68 viewers, amazing guys. Make sure to like that button, really helps me out, gain some more kind of people over here. We can have a big community. Soon we'll be hitting 100 people concurrent, that'll be fucking mad. I hit 95 yesterday. So it's only taken me like maybe like a month and a half. Pretty mad. Beautiful. So GPAUD reacting off this level over here. Not too bad, not too shabby. So we're still waiting for the volume to kick in over here. It's going to come very, very soon, hopefully for the London Open, which is in 8 minutes time. And yeah, we're just chilling. 37 viewers, amazing. Oh, I think I'm going to be going for a... I think me and Ben want to go to a pizza tonight, but I am a bit ill. It's a bit unfair. I shouldn't really go. Oh, fuck. Well deserved though, mate. Dropping gems on these streams daily, yes sir. Well, you know, I found my niche, and I'm like, bro, I can go for it now. Like, let's have a look at FOREX streams. How many? I mean, there's probably still fucking loads on, I'm assuming, but 207. Yeah, this person gets more views than me and doesn't even fucking speak. He just sits there. Right, look. I think he just sits. Yeah, look. What the fuck? He just sits there. That's sick. Live streams, bro. How the fuck do you go on live streams, man? FOREX. Oh, that's why. Live stream London. So if people click this, do they see my name? They see Raja. But this is just my thing. I want to do a new cover of that. I'm going to go on Fiverr and get someone to do that. Oh, look, live now. Oh, 27. That's another one. Streamed 1 hour ago. Dr. Dollar. To be fair, there isn't many. Where's like Capital Hungry and shit? I swear they have some. The fuck? Well, 20 to 52k fast, lol. What do you mean? $20 to 52k fast. Most people don't want to learn, they just want a signal to buy or sell. Yeah, very, very true. Very, very true. Yeah, that was when I started my mentorship thing. I kind of made it that I didn't want it to be just about fucking signals. I kind of want it to be about learning. And that's why I want... You know, I said people who join my mentorship, I don't want you to be there for like fucking 2 years. I want you to be there for like 4 months, 3 months, and then you're ready to do it yourself. You're confident enough. And that's why I preach saying, send me your charts, because the way that I got like confident in my own ability was, you know, marking my own charts up. So, very, very important over here. So moving down over here with broken support, probably going to put it to here though. I'm not taking any sells though around this area. It ain't good enough for me. It ain't good enough. Yeah, most people are just looking for signals, but then if that's the case, then is it like, are you like passionate, interested about this, or are you just trying to get some quick money, which it really isn't the way to get quick money. So gold over here. Oh mate, that's 7 o'clock move up here, closing below. Oof. Ran 50 pips. Holy shit. So if you do an analysis here, what I've got in this trade, so there's like our support right at that level, closure below, and then we have the next support over here. So that would have, so if I got the closure, so 10 pip stop for 10 pip gain, yeah, I probably would have, and then wick fill here, and then TP2 would have been at these lows. TP3, sorry, would have been at these lows. So nice. Can we get the same sales like yesterday if price closed below 152,350? Thing is, you're just against higher time frames, really. We'll see, but for me, I do not know. I do not know. Especially, so the reason why I'm not even happy just to take any trade in GD at the moment is because of the price action. Yesterday was a bit garbage, so you know I'm kind of analysing, going right. This doesn't look too nice. So for me, because look, this exceed the high and exceed the lows. You know, I kind of just want to chill and wait until it kind of forms some nice candles. There's no rush. I don't have to take a trade. You know, I'm not gonna die if I don't take a trade today. So.
Yeah, it's best to just chill and wait.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Ooh, mate, look at that reaction. That's 730 again. Oh, mate, buy stops above the zone over here. So 22 pip stop for a 35 pip gain. Holy shit, it just runs so nicely. So hourly, or the hourly yields are bearish though, I suppose. But it did get a 30-minute closure above, but it didn't really close that much above actually. So this is where I would have drawn it. Only just closed above. Maybe exceeding the high though. Could have been an option. So now it's continuing up over here. It's coming back in this range though. Fuck off, GPAUD. Come on. I mean, we on the Telegram chat for NY session have been looking at GA buys for fucking ages, right? But we never entered, never thought about it because we just couldn't get the closures above right at these zones. We've done it every time. We just can't close above. Sorry, here. Yeah. So we like, this kind of looks good. It makes a top wick straight away. We're like, no, I'm waiting for the bottom wick, and then does it come back up? The next one then comes up. You're like, nope, no impulses. So here is a great example why impulse trades are not the best. So, you know, this candle over here couldn't close above. This candle here couldn't close above. This candle here couldn't close above, but still pushes through. So if you enter in any of these candles, you would have lost. And if you enter on like all of them, then you would have lost quite a big percentage over here. So especially if you take an impulse like this for a buy or whatever, and it loses, I'd advise not taking any more impulses because it kind of suggests that it's not the best time. But I also just advocate just don't take any impulses, to be honest. So it has a little resistance over here. So if we do get closures above this zone, this could be nice to then start riding back up. Oh shit. So let's see how big this range is over here. 45 pips, that's nice. Pretty nice over here. So, I mean, swing traders for GBP AUD are quite nice because you can just wait in here, wait until you get a solid 30-minute close, then take a buy, stop loss below it. Same thing here. Same thing here. Same thing here. So it's just trade in the range, really, which is pretty interesting. Ooh, look at this, see? I ain't thinking about these GJ cells over here, okay? I ain't thinking about them yet. Because all the higher time frames are bullish, apart from 4 hour, which is going to flip in about 15 seconds. So keeping that knowledge, try not to get in.
What you think about a 1 hour potential salary play?
Yeah, I think for me, so I explained on one of my videos in the webinar, I only like doing salary plays on the 15 really. Yeah, I only like doing it on the 15. And the reason why I don't like doing it on any other one is because the 15 is quite a lower time frame. Kind of, you know, some of these things can happen. It can relax, and also when the 15-minute is closed, when we start flipping again, that means the 30 minutes flipping, and normally is the hourly flipping. So they are on my bias. Whereas this is a higher time frame going against me. So for me, I'm gonna have to wait probably a bit longer, maybe for a 30-minute closure above again, which would actually be a salary play in the long haul. But I need that 30 close, to be honest, or 15 close above 520 over here. Because look at this price action; it's very, very choppy. So no rush, no rush. GPAUD, yeah, making a low wick over here. There isn't that much to the next resistance, but the second one, 53 pips away, is nice, delicious. Right, let's take a look at gold over here. Oh, we got a nice closure below. Look at the hourly. Oh snap. Oh snap. So for me, I want a nice top wick up. Hopefully towards this zone, 152, whatever. If this starts running now, then that's good. But for me, I need a bit of a bigger top wick. Right around these zones over here. So then drive down, exceed the lows, and that'll be nice. And then TPs would be, yeah, filling these wicks over here. So this right at this wick. So if you do exceed this wick again, we should get at least 10 pips. So we will have to see. 71 views in the chat, amazing. 41 likes. Make sure you subscribe as well, guys. If you are new here, just comment down if you're new. If you've just found the channel. And yeah, beautiful. So just waiting for this top wick over here. If it does start coming down, that's nice. But for me, I ain't getting in yet. I'm waiting patiently. To be fair, this is the same size as this one. This should continue down now. Exceeding these lows. Ooh, we have a 20 pip stop above over here. Could be quite nice. Yeah, so it's going to fall down now. I'm going to paper trade this one. So yeah, get into a sell exceeding the lows with the stop loss above over here. I'm just going to paper trade this bad lad. I want this top wick on the hourly to be a bit more aggressive. Just gives me extra it just gives me extra confirmation that we are leaving this zone to then drive down to a next zone if we have a nice top wick. But it does look pretty good to continue over here. Nice, tasty. So yeah, we'll wait and see if we can have a top wick. Someone keep an eye out of this one, okay? Tell me if it's making like a top wick right about this area, 1742 area, and I'll take a look. Oh, look at GG! Look at the price action, boy.
Terrible.
Yeah, it's not the best, man. Not the best price action. It's a bit shit today, but that's all good. It's all good. As long as I can identify that, then that's good. So I'll let it do its own thing. Maybe NY it sorts itself out.
Facts.
Oh, don't go without me, gold. Don't go without me, gold. Make a better top wick, you pussy-o. Have to see over here. We'll have to see. Let's take a look at the subscriber count now. Come on, man. If you guys are new here. Thing is, I don't know how many people here have subscribed. I'm pretty sure a good like 99% of people are subscribed. 970. I'm literally 30 away. Oh, 30 away, man. Oh, Anthony Riggs. Yes, you're helping me, Anthony. Good lad. Thanks for subscribing. I just got a notification on my phone before the stream. Beautiful. How's the Nightbot doing? Is it sending out stuff? Yeah, it is. Cool, wicked. Finally found the timer for it. Gorgeous. Oh, you motherfucker. We should have got in there. Oh, no. Oh, no, man. 50 pips. Oh, God. Oh, fuck. I knew it was going to happen as well. Oh, now this shit for runners. I'm telling you, bro. Oh, my God. Win on goal, lads. Jeez. Fuck. I should have took that. Should have took that trade over here. I did say, but I wanted the top wick to be a bit higher. But to be fair, I mean, I didn't know why I wanted them, because look at the. So look over here. Look at these top wicks. They're pretty much the same size. And as I say, the wicks like near each other normally have similar size. 40 gold catched 40 pips. Yes, sir. 40 pips. Let's go. 1 second. Wow, beautiful over here. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. So, you know, we know that's fine. You know, we got the closure below. We anticipated the sell. That's definitely a trade definitely a trade called. I just didn't want to enter because of the top wick. God. Gold sells, beautiful. So if you're in a trade over here and you actually did get this gold sell, what I expect now is, oh, look at that pull up over here. I expect to have a nice runner. I think you should have taken some profits for sure at these lows. Wow, beautiful. That move literally was that. Is that a 1 minute candle? Oh, it literally was. Amazing. Got in at 1740. Just secured 20 pips. Moved so fast. Beautiful. Well done. Well done. Amazing. So for the long term here now. Oh my god. I mean, it's looking good over here. I'm not gonna lie, I think someone on Instagram is gonna be very pissed off with this move because they had some gold buys they're holding. I wonder who that was. Beautiful, so coming down here, nice. Closure below, some drive, fill up the wicks. Molto bene, beautiful, beautiful. GJ is not beautiful, I'm telling you now. Beautiful is not what GJ is today. So, I mean, GPAUD over here, making a lower wick. I mean, if it does start flipping, pretty good. The only issue is this resistance right here. But a very, very strong candle. Very strong candle, actually. Oh, man, I'm so annoyed I didn't get that move. I literally planned it as well. I just wanted the stop loss to be a bit bigger. So there, I mean...
So cool.
Yeah, 10 pips.
Miss some.
You miss. I got 90 pips. Well, I actually closed at 60 pips yesterday on gold. So you win some, you lose some. It's good though that gold volume in London's doing well. Thank fuck for that. It's nice. Very happy with that.
Man, gold is moving nice. GG's moving shit.
Yeah, GG.
I'm contemplating just coming back during NY.
Yeah, for sure, man. Take that nap, bro.
Yeah, facts. Especially, yo, I literally went to bed like midnight.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
That's dedication, bro. That's some dedication.
Facts, bro.
So, daily time frame at EJ over here. Let's take a look. So the daily is bullish over here. Beautiful. 4 hour is bullish, only just though. Look at the 1 hour, beautiful. Made some resistance. Oh my god, I hate being ill. Fuck off. So closure above's over here gonna be looking quite nice. For real, let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, so kind of the same thing as GJ over here. It came up. Higher time frames are very bullish, but the price action here is pretty awful. That's literally the same as GJ. What the fuck? Yeah, very similar. Look, pretty similar over here. So not much move there at all, really. Wow, 75 viewers over here, guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like the stream. Wow, these gold sells played out lovely. I'll see you later, Antonio.
Adios, my dog.
See you later, my boy.
See you during NY.
Yeah, boy. So, getting in on the flips over here, like at this point, it's going to be hitting your break even at this time. So, I hope you guys secured some. So that's what you should always do. Don't be greedy with gold. You know, take your profits, but try not to hold them on for so long. Like, you know, if it drops over here and still runs, that's nice. But it already ran 50 pips, so you should have been pretty tasty. That hourly though, the hourly closure below. Like, look, none of these candles here closed it below. This one closed below. Therefore, I knew we were going to drive, and we did it. I just needed a little more of a top wick. Very, very easy. Very, very simple. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. Looks like GJ is coming down over here. But for me, the higher time frames still got an hour and 50 left. The daily is still very, very bullish. So for me, gold buy now? No. There is no gold buy now, I'm telling you. think that is going to be the comment of the day. Yeah, there's no buys because the daily is bearish, the 4 hours bearish, the hourly is bearish, the 30 minutes bearish, the 50 minutes bearish, and the 5 minute is bullish. So there is no buys on gold. Try not to buy the lows because you don't know. You know, people trying to buy the lows. There is that going to be one time, you know, you're right, where this candle over here is going to start rinsing up, and then you can be like, oh, I just made 4,000 pips on gold. Like, well, yeah, you're very lucky. Where is your stop loss, first of all? Because like when you're like, doing like swing trades and shit, you're fucking guessing. Oh wait, one second. Yeah, you're no 1 second. Let me do this one. You're guessing where your stop loss is meant to be. Like, you don't know because there's nothing to show. So you're gonna just have to go like, oh, we'll probably round about here, and then you're just hoping it doesn't hit there. There's no risk management. There's nothing. So that's why swing trading for me is not the best unless it's just a runner. I don't know one person who can swing trade. I don't know one person. So yeah, let's take a look. GJ is coming down over here. But as I said again, you know, just look at the price action. I mean, 30 minute looks alright, but 50 minute looks a bit chalked. I mean, you could potentially get sells here, but for me, it's not the best. This is where the sells are, because all of the higher time frames are bullish over here. The 4 hour is rejecting, which is interesting, but for me, it's still got an hour and 47 left. This could easily just make the bottom wick to then continue and exceed again. So there is no rush, to be honest, at all. Oh my god, there's Champions League tonight, and I can't wait. Fucking well happy with that. Football fixtures, let's take a look over here. Yeah, look. PSG versus Man City. Fuck yeah, I'm watching that. And then what's tomorrow? Manchester United versus Villarreal. I watched that one. Nice. Juventus, Chelsea. Ooh. Some good games on. Beautiful. 48 likes, guys. Amazing stuff. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet and have learned that you don't have to take a trade every morning, make sure to like the stream. Bash that like button. Really helps me out, guys. Just drop a like. Doesn't affect anyone. It's free. Did you sell stop GJ? No, I did not sell stop GJ. Because GJ is currently making support right now. Unless we get a closure. Messi scores tonight. Ah, nah, man. Messi's chalked. The real GOAT is Ronaldo. Ronaldo is the real GOAT. So if we get a closure in this zone, then we should start to fill up the range. But I'm not going to look for sells unless we are in this zone over here, because we're closer to the daily flip, and the 4 hour will be very, very bearish. Ronaldo's going to score tomorrow, so I'm telling you, man. Ronaldo should have took that pen on the weekend. Oh, Bruno Fernandes absolutely fucked it. I think Messi's not going to be there for long. I think, as I said it again, Messi, as you know, has been fed by fucking Iniesta and Xavi his whole life, and you know, he's been through Barcelona, he's been the same place. He can't adapt. I don't think he's got it in him. Ronaldo's done it everywhere. So that is my opinion on that. You can't see the GOAT if you haven't done it in any other league. I'm sorry, it doesn't work. And they go, oh well, Messi did well, you know, with Barcelona in Champions League. Well, yeah, he had Xavi and Iniesta feeding him balls for the past fucking 10 years. The best fucking passes ever. Like, oh, a GJ sell over here. Beautiful. So, oh, you got stopped out. Ooh. Now hit TP. Well, that's, you know, that's the thing. Did you really get the close below? It's quite choppy over here. So it's not like it's not like you were you know, you were hunted by the banks or whatever. It's just that price action was bad, man. Did you enter on this close wave? Sell loss 15. Okay. Sell stop previous close. Oh, here, yeah. And then came back up. Yeah, well, that's what happens. You know, and also, this candle closed bullish. You should probably close 50% over here. Why would you keep a trade on over here when it's closed bullish and you're in a sell? So maybe keep you should have closed 50% off at that point, and then you would have only lost 5 pips. But for me, you know, don't look at like, oh, now it hit TP. You know, that was just a losing trade, and you know, you have to take that on the chin. You know, higher time frames were bullish. You try to get into sell very, very quickly. You know, that's what happens. You just have to chill a bit more. I am with you, Ronaldo. Messi will do something no one else in the world can. But like what? He's like a midget. He's got a good low center of gravity, and he just fucking runs past. You know, all he does is tap it in, though. I hate that. It's so boring. If you look at his best goals, like, they're just nowhere near compared to Ronaldo's best goals. Like, they're just. I think he's a better footballer, but he didn't work for it as hard, so it's not like a good story, and he also hasn't done it anywhere else. If GJ creates a support, would you take a trade to retest the high, or would you wait for the break before the high taking a trade? This is a very, very good question, and for me, I'll be waiting for the closure above, because for the fact that look at price action. Price action shit. Okay, what I mean by price action is, look, you know what price action I like. So if we're making support over here, this is what it should look like. Okay, we should be doing nice candles over here. Sorry about how. Oh wait, that's a fucking shit candle. 1 second. So, you know, nice candles over here like this. Makes the top wick, continues down. Makes the top wick, continues down. See, so like this. What have we got here? No, we've got big wicks up, little tiny bodies, then a wick up, and then a, you know, it's not nice. It's bad price action. So for me, I need the confirmation that we're leaving the zone by getting a closure above, which will then flip the 30 minutes and all that kind of stuff, and probably a 50-minute closure will be nice. 50 likes in the chat, amazing stuff, guys. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. Remember, it's 1,000 subscriber giveaway is for magic keys. So what I'm going to do is put you guys all in a wheel and then spin it on like maybe Friday or something. Maybe this Friday, maybe next Friday. I don't know if I hit 1,000 this week. I hope so. We've only got 30 left, so if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe, man, and like, because if you like, more people come in from recommended, so helps me out. So yeah, hopefully in 11 minutes time we can get a closure over here. That'll be pretty good. So let's actually look at the news for them tomorrow. Let's take a look. 9:30 we got some mortgage approvals. Doesn't look like it's going to change. Lending to individuals. Nothing much going on over here. Let's take a look. Yeah, so GJ just making support. Gold came all the way back up over here. Nice. But that does not mean gold is a buy. That does not mean gold is a buy, I'm telling you. It could be very, very risky if gold is a buy. So try not to think about buying the lows. Just because it worked over here, you know, doesn't work like it's going to work over here. You need to just wait for a nice clean setup. Closures above, like for example here. What time did this happen? 2 AM. Look at that 30-minute closure above resistance. Beautiful. Make the lower wick. Exceed the high. Bob's your uncle. Gold can have nice moves. You just have to chill a bit. Just coming back down over here. Yeah, so what I expect GJ to do is to make support, as I've said. You know, we came up, needs to retrace. So someone already said later before, you know, we've already moved up quite a lot in Asia. Maybe wait for support to form to then ride it back up, which is what I'll be looking for through NY probably. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing. If anyone has any questions also about the Discord or the mentorship, make sure to ask the mentorship questions in here. We've got the squad in, nice people early in the morning. Luco, Michael, Andrea, nice, beautiful, and Connor's in here as well. Beautiful. So yeah, waiting for support to form. We might get it in London, but probably towards NY at this time. Ooh, Euro USD has got a closure, but just flipping the 4 hour consistently. So when, you know, price is kind of flipping the 4 hour quite a lot and like around this area, it's not the best. Kind of shows a bit of bit of confusion on where it wants to go. So I'm just taking that off my ear. I hate wearing headphones. I'm gonna have to buy some AirPods soon, man. I can't fucking wear these headphones any longer. So coming down over here for GJ, nice. Coming towards this little support. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Oh, lovely. Beautiful. So 4 hours pretty bearish now. Daily's rejecting these zones again. Mad. So getting into trades here, I mean, it does have a clean candle, but the issue is still the higher time frame. I mean, if you get a closure below here, wait for the nice top wick and exceed the low, it could be a good option. But how far is that from here? Oh, just about 10 pips, but might not be enough. 53 likes in the chat. Let's go. Let's try and get that to 70 today, guys. 70 likes. Beautiful. So yeah, what I'm looking at kind of here is wait for the top wick and then to drive. That'll be quite a nice thing. And then if it closes back in this range over here, could fill the range up, and that'll be very, very interesting. Filling up the full range, damn. Previous daily closed bullish, but below resistance. Think a sell can be good. Yeah, exactly. I said that. So the daily, what he means is that this daily candle right here didn't close above resistance. So this one right here didn't close above resistance. Therefore, the confirmation for buys is not really there for the higher time frames. If today this candle closed where it is now, then there is confirmation. Should make a low wick and then exceed and go nice. But yeah, because we haven't had the closure above, very, very true. Very, very true. So sells can be nice. I'm going to wait until we get a closure over here. And maybe I'll take one. Maybe. We'll have to have a see. If we make a nice top wick and then the drive down and exceed the lows, maybe. Just that this kind of zone here is not the biggest zone. Wow, 80 viewers in the chat, amazing. Gonna hit 60 likes as well, gorgeous. So let's see if we get this closure in 6 minutes time. Hopefully it doesn't run all the way down, but I mean, to be honest, if it closes back in this range as well, this is when I said I kind of want to look for sells, because if you close in a range over here, you should fill a range up. So this would look like one of my trading setups, so let's take a look at them over here. Let's go this one here. This is what we are looking at. So it closed above, we're looking for buys, closed back down. If it closes back in the range over here, waits for the top wick and then flips, which could be nice. And I said that I only like this if the 4 hours on our side, and it is. So exactly the setup here that we are looking for. So it could be interesting. 5 minutes with a 30-minute candle as well. Looking good over here. Looking good. 79 viewers. If you guys are new here, make sure to say hi in the chat. And let's see Discord over here. So 5 minutes left of this candle. Beautiful. Let's see. Did GJ gold pull up? Oh, it did. Came all the way back. Still. GPAUD over here, just chilling. Oh, it couldn't actually flip this candle over here. So when it's in a range like this, you know, it's not the best. You need to wait for closures above. A lot cleaner trades. So 4 minutes time. Set up cheat sheet. Saw the YouTube video. Upload a link to download a cheat sheet. Yeah, my boy. Yeah, I'll do that actually. And put in all my setups and stuff. That'll help for sure. You guys talk amongst yourselves. Maybe Connor can talk to the chat and stuff. I'm just gonna go to the toilet. One sec. so it's getting a closure over here in 3 minutes time. 3 minutes time. So hourly's coming down, 4 hours bearish, got an hour left. Yeah, this is looking quite good over here. Ooh, look at that pull up over here. So if this candle closes on support over here, wow, you didn't wash your hands. Oh, I did, I'm telling you, I did. So look at this, 2 minutes time, if you get a closure on support, then there is no confirmation for sells. I wanted it below because this candle's got 30 minutes. If it can't close below, then you can suggest that there is a big support right here. A big support, a big support. Fucking hell. I don't know why this vape's so bloody strong. Fucking chill your beans, man. Oh shit. So for me, you can't really get into a trade over here because there's only 6 pips left, so I need to wait for a closure back in the range. So we're running 20 pips now, nice. Beautiful. Pretty good over here. Quite a quiet day today, guys. Quite a quiet day, chat. Quite quiet. I think you guys are just waiting for the volume to come. Also, I'm going to be doing a thing, I think, soon. If you guys are looking for a new broker and you want IC markets, if you use my link, I'm going to give you some free shit. I might give you a free webinar. So make sure to use my link. My link is everywhere. If you go here on the stream, let me just close this. This is my link. If you do it here and then you sign up with this link, and then message me on Instagram, and then I'll send you something. And then use it, because I'm telling you, IC Markets is the best one. So make sure you use it. It's pretty fire. Use it all day, every day. Ooh, look at this. Hourly, look how hourly bearish closure over here. 30 seconds left. Damn, son, you're pumping. So clean candles to the left over here. Came all the way down. Nice. For me, there's no confirmation because we didn't get a closure below. It just melted, and that's one of the thing. Like, you know, I don't take all trades because impulses sometimes work, but sometimes they don't. I want a setup which helps, which works 80% of the time. Now this candle over here is going to close in 5 seconds, and unfortunately, because it hasn't closed in the range, then there is no sells for me because, you know, I don't care how much this dips down, we haven't closed back in the range, so we could potentially make support. So, you know, all about this stuff. If you look at what I was looking for, confirmation is back in the range, so closing the range. The next one makes the top wick to then drive. We haven't got that. We haven't closed in the range. We closed above the range, therefore it could be making support over here. So no trade for me. Ooh, Euro USD, Euro GPAUD coming down as well over here. Very, very similar. GPAUD just chilling. Got 29 minutes left of this hourly candle. Can it make a top wick? Can it make the top wick, man? We'll have to see. We'll have to see. 70 viewers, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Who hasn't subscribed, man? Make sure to subscribe. I wish I could find that analytics. What's it called? Analytics. 61 likes as well. Beautiful, guys. Let me just like my own video over here. Let's take a look. Yeah, 972. Come on, guys. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. Hey, hey, the real Tux. Hello, hello. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, my boy. So wow, look, this candle pushed up and came and closed back right at the level over here. So it'll be a bit longer until we could take more sells, but they'll probably happen towards NY, which is beautiful for me. I'll take some nice trades there, hopefully. I think with the bearish momentum, price may retrace a bit and keep melting down. Yeah, looks pretty good to melt down over here. Just for me, there's no setup in my book of setups to take a trade. Oh, thank you, the real Tux, for subscribing, my boy. Thank you very, very much. Beautiful. So yeah, all you're doing here is waiting for support to form or get a closure in the range. Is this range big enough? So let's just do this. If we do flip the daily as well, that'd be quite nice. Let's take a look. Wow, 23 pip range, not too bad. So what exactly are we waiting on GJ to execute, fam? A closure in the zone. So a closure in this zone. This zone here. We haven't had the closure yet. And you know, if we close back in a zone, we normally fill the zone. Okay, so therefore we have the probability, and yeah. Because at the moment this could be just making support, because we haven't closed in the zone, we've closed above it. This could easily start making support over here to then ride back up. So we don't know, we can't you know, we're guessing it over here. So I want confirmation. I don't want to be guessing and trading. I want to be having good confirmation with good data, and then you know, it works a lot nicer. So what other videos could I post this week? I could do a fun and talent one, actually. Just talking about my experience with it, that'd be pretty good. 68 viewers, 64 likes, amazing guys. Hopefully you can get 70 likes today. Tuesday quite a quiet day, but you know, we're good. Let's take a look at my. I would love to see everyone else's YouTube's. Let's take a look at my other YouTube. Everyone else's YouTube like front page over here. This is mine. Hi, good morning. What are you waiting for in GJ? Waiting for a closure back in these zones, and then if we close in this zone over here, we should fill the zone up. But at the moment, we have no confirmation, so this candle here could easily make support to then ride it back up. I don't know. I need a closure back in the zone. Because look at this confirmation, right? If we close, one second, we close like this, and we've got the closure back in the zone. If you wait for the top wick, this top wick is telling me a lot. First of all, it's making me not get faked out, because if this wants to run back up, it'll just run back up like that, and I still haven't entered. The top wick shows that I'm rejecting this zone to then continue into this zone. So then when this happens over here, and then we start flipping and exceeding the lows here, this is good confirmation to then come down. I know earlier you like salary plays in the 15. Would you consider it on gold? Let's take a look over here. Potentially could be quite a good option actually, but the only issue is the 30-minute has closed bullish, so I don't really like that. I like it when the 15-minute is like is the salary play, but when we flip this candle here, that's also flipping the 30-minute to go bearish, which this one isn't, unfortunately. This is already closed bullish, so for me, nah, I'm gonna wait until NY for me. But this is a nice wick to fill in NY, and hopefully I'll get this trade later. I think this will probably relax, and then later towards NY we'll get some nice volume to then push it down and hit it. But your setup has price below daily flipped. In this case, 4-hour and daily flip conflict each other. Yeah, very, very true. That's why I'm saying, you know, I'm very, very careful of the. I'm not even going to say I'm going to take the trade. I'm just kind of looking at it. But that is one of my setups I've taken, and you know, if you look at my videos, I've talked about this setup quite a lot. Is Control FX your mentor? No. He's my boy though. Yeah, I've helped him. No, sorry, I've not helped him. He's helped me, get used to using YouTube and like all the bots and shit. And yeah, he's a good lad. I rate Control FX. But he isn't who I personally learned off. I just learned off Raj's live streams and Ted and stuff. So look over here, we're pushing down. Have we got a 5-minute closure in here? Not yet. But yeah, Control FX. Shout out to him. He's a boy. He's my boy. Good lad. Same age as me as well. I think he's a bit older than me by like a month. But yeah, he's sound kid, so nice. So yeah, coming back in the zone now over here, getting a closure in the range. For me, there is not enough range really now. I may just leave this trade. Who the fuck is Ted? I keep hearing his name. Oh bro, Ted is the boy. If you missed Ted, you missed some. So type in. I'll type in his Instagram. Silence. How old are you? I am 21. This is Ted's Instagram. He's really good at trading gold, and you know, he was just on Raj's stream the whole time, and yeah, I speak to him basically daily now. So yeah, I'm 21, just turned 21. 21. Look at this coming down over here. Nice. So yeah, really rejected these highs over here. Pretty nice. Ted is GOAT. Yes, sir. So for me, you know, it would be nice to get up here, but there's, you know, the daily's still bullish, and also we didn't get a closure below our support level, so I don't really care about it. Yeah, yeah, Ted was known to like pop like 100 lots and stuff like all the time, 200 lots as well. Wow, I'm also 21. Yes, sir. What and how does Ted teach you about gold? So he taught me a lot of things. You know, I also jumped onto his Zooms quite a lot, but basically he told me. First of all, he talks. I mean, honestly, he does it on his things now. If you go back test gold, right, which is what we did on the mentorship, I did an hour-long back test, which was delicious. But basically, what you see is, right, first of all, you need to identify where there's volume. So let's take a look over here. So volume, no volume, no volume, volume. So when you start looking at these times, you're looking at, right, where is the volume? And it's coming towards, though, the NYSE open, all that good stuff. And this is when you're looking for trades. And also, you know, he told me about higher time frames, how they kind of, you know, don't let them fool you or trying to get into buys in gold when, you know, the higher time frames are fucking bearish as shit. And he also told me that, you know, he enters. So basically, the reason why Ted is so good and how I like him is because he normally has like a 10-15 pip stop and he gets 100 pip trades. So that's like nearly, you know, 10 times in his risk. So for some trades he makes 10% of his account, which is huge. But yeah, what I used to do is just listen to him, and what I saw on his account was he was taking a lot of break-even trades. Like, I mean, a lot. Like, I would say like 60-70% of his trades were break-even. And that's what made me, you know, I asked him about it in a Zoom call, and he just said that, you know, what's the point in taking a losing trade? You know, you get in with a push, the volume, the flip, and then if the flip does not continue and push like straight away and comes back to hit your break even, that's fine. But he wants to be in, you know, he wants to be in with volume, he wants zero drawdown, and that's a perfect entry. And I let you preach that all the time. The perfect entry is a trade where you have zero drawdown, it goes straight to 10 pips, and then, you know, if you want to hold the trade on and starts pushing nicely, then, you know, it'll be good. Is Ted Wicks Don't Lie? No. Ted is Ted, and Wicks Don't Lie is Raja. Ted taught Raja. Yeah, Ted taught Raja. Like 4 years ago, 5 years ago. And yeah, beautiful. I also like how Ted, you know, he helps his friends, you know. I don't know why people don't like him, I just don't get it. As I said before, you know, he brought his friends up. You know, he taught, like, it's like me teaching someone, and then they go, oh, by the way, I think I'm going to start, like, a mentorship and stuff, and I get, like, pissed off with it. It's like, what? Shouldn't be like that. Like, for example, I don't know, if I don't know, Connor comes on here, I know he's been with me for like 2 years and stuff, but then he goes, oh, I'm gonna do my own thing. I'm like, yeah, fucking go for it, bro. Like, that wouldn't even be a second question, because it's just like, bring your friends up as well. There's no point in fucking going, oh no, well, I taught you, therefore I'm better than that. It just doesn't make any sense, man. Does Ted has a YouTube channel? I think he may. There's some videos definitely on him, like Uncle Ted. Just type in Uncle Ted, but I don't think he does. Well, he might do. Oh, no, well, he definitely does, because he comes into people's streams. But yeah, it's just Uncle_Ted. I'm pretty sure. Does Ted have his own mentorship program? No, not anymore. I think actually he's gonna add stuff to Forex Family. I think. So, and I think he spoke about that. So yeah. And me and Ted are the only ones with the finance degrees in this bitch. I don't think anyone else has finance degrees, so me and Ted got that on people. Because he's outspoken and calls people out, yeah. How old is Uncle Ted? I have no idea. No idea. Probably like 30, mid-30s, I think. And yeah. So over here we're getting the closure, but for me, I'm just going to stay out of this. The price action's garbage, I don't really like it, and, you know, the zones over here. The hourly's closed, the hourly needs to make a top wick. I mean, if the hourly makes a top wick, it could be quite nice, but I think I'm just gonna leave it for this session. Ooh, so look at this over here, making support. But still, I would advise not taking any gold buys. Just wait for the sells later on. Wait for the sells. Ted's in his early 40s. Ah. Yeah, I like what you said about control effects as well. Ted really likes control effects. That's good. That's actually coming towards a nice industry. And that's how it should be. There's that time, like, I think like 2 years ago, there's so much beef, and I'm like, oh my god, this is fucking awful. Holy shit. Just leave it. I mean, you always get people getting like pissed off for your stuff just because, you know, they're kind of jealous, but like, you just it's just reacting to it. If you react to it, they're just gonna do it more. What am I gonna watch today? I'm gonna learn how to. Oh yeah, I was looking at cameras, man. I think I'm gonna cop this one. Thing is, like, so. Oh, what the fuck is this lube? Actually, need to buy some of this shit soon. Sony ZV-1. So yeah, this one over here. This is one I think I'm gonna get. And I could do like vlogs and shit. I can do like set up cameras and be like showing you like a day in the life. And I'm also gonna be getting a car soon. So that'll be pretty cool. I'll be getting a nice car. I kind of want a BM, so that'll be pretty cool over here. But yeah, this is pretty fire. No time for drama. Would rather spend time making profits. Yes, sir. Very, very true. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. 60 minutes time of this hourly. Beautiful. So it did our move over here. Pushed all the way down. Nice. Buy SVR like a proper man. Oh, yeah. Raja learned by Ted and Max learned by Raja. Yeah, I learned by Raja, but I also learned by Ted, to be honest. I'd say I learned more Ted in my entries. I think my entries for Raja, I still don't do his entries really. My entries come from Ted really. Bottom wicks, top wicks. So like the trade yesterday that I took, that is a textbook Ted trade. I'm telling you, he's done that so many times, and that's why I was like, I'm not. You guys are like, it's got no bottom wick. I'm like, I don't give a fuck. I said, this candle flips here, we're running. How long are you trading, bro? I've been trading since I was 14. So yeah, rather early. Trading like stocks when I was 14, and then when I was 16 to 18, then it was Forex. And yeah, I lost a shitload of money. So I advise not doing it when you're that young. Are you a market foodie? No. That's what I'm saying. I'm assuming it's amazing, it's beautiful, but remember, all I did was go to his streams every day. Every day. When I should have been at uni, I wasn't. I was listening to Ted and doing no uni work, because uni's easy. Yeah, every morning I wouldn't miss it, to be honest. Every day, I'd go on it. I'd do the thing. Have you backtested often? Have you backtested often before, like daily? No. I don't backtest that much. No. I know my structures. I know it works. You know, I'd only probably start to backtest if I had like a bad week or bad 2 weeks. Then I'll probably backtest more. But I don't need to because it's winning me, so I don't have to change it at the moment. I start with binary options and loss. Yeah, binary options is fucking. That's mad. That. You know, the thing is, and I speak to people about it a lot. You know, like trading stuff. You know, it looks nice, looks fancy, and when you tell people like, "Oh, wow, cool. How much are you making?" It's like, well, yeah, most people aren't making shit. But anyway, you know, it's kind of for some people it just masks I'm gambling. Because if you go to someone, "Oh, I'm gambling," they're like, "Well, maybe stop that." If you go, "I'm trading," it's like, it sounds a bit better. You look familiar. Were you interviewed by Trading? No, but I actually do want to do that for sure. I want to do a trading interview. And maybe, I don't know how you'd find me. Where else would you find me? I've been on Controller FX's stream. I'm on Instagram quite a lot, so it's probably just the Instagram, to be honest. probably just the Instagram. 68 likes, guys, amazing. If you guys could get that to 70 likes, that'd help me a lot. Beautiful. I've got some Instagram posts today as well, so got lots of content coming. But yeah, definitely I'm gonna get that camera, and that camera is gonna be pretty cool over here. So I'll get that, and then I want to get the Premiere Pro, but I want to be able to know how to edit properly. Then I can make some sick photos, and then, like, for example, I'll go to like Geneva Motor Show and shit, and like, because I go to Geneva every year to look at cars, because I'm like a fucking. When will you enter? To be honest, mate, it doesn't look like I will enter. I may leave it today because there's no trades for me. The only trade I wanted to get into there was was gold, and that motherfucker missed. I missed it, but it was a trade called. I wanted a little top wick, but yeah, we focus on others' lifestyle, not focus on our skill development. Yeah, I mean that's the thing. Like, for example, and I know this, it's stupid. I could do a hour-long thing on YouTube. It'll get 100 views, but if I just go, oh, trip to Dubai, and then show off my flashy cars and shit, I'll get like fucking 10 times more viewers. But it's a shame. I think people don't actually want to like succeed. They just want to hope. It's like a dream. So what they do is you just watch someone else. It is a shame, but you know. And that's why, like, marketers and stuff, they make so much money. So, like, if I really wanted to, I am telling you guys, I could milk like the shit I've got around me, because my dad knows a lot of people. You know, I've been around, basically been around every car in the possible world. You know, I know people who own Koenigsegg's, Bugattis, F1 cars. So, you know, I could easily have milked that and bullshit it, but that's just silly. I'm not doing that. Do you enter trades? Do you only enter trades during London? No, so I do NY as well, but that is just with the mentorship group. So I do an NY live stream just like this, and yeah, because I'm in London, I can do. Because I'm in the UK, I can do both time zones. I also seen, you know, if you're in Australia, you get the best time zone because you can finish your 9 to 5 job, and then after 5 you can trade all the sessions. It's great. Because I think 2 people or 3 people on my mentorship are from Australia or living in Australia. So yeah, bro, forex industry has a lot of scammers. Yeah, but it works though. So this is, you know, it's just like they have a lot of scammers, but it's also like just use your common sense, man. Just use your common sense, please. Ozzy here checking in. Yes, sir. I think people are very, very just too blind to it, and they're like, oh, this guy, like, you know, fucking amazing. First of all, you need to talk about, you know, what is wealth and what is being rich. You know, they're 2 massive things. Differences. Someone could be rich and just pay, you know, monthly for a car, but if they die tomorrow, you know, they're not having all their money given to their kids. No, they're actually gonna have a debt bill because they owe money for the fucking monthly payments on a Lambo. So, you know, all that kind of, you know, it's very, very true. But yeah, it's just looking. I mean, I respect everyone on the trading side if they can live stream it. So if they can live stream, then I get it. I get it. If they're just doing signals and they're just putting out 400 signals a day, and you're gonna have to work out the maths if you're actually gonna break even or not. That's not the way to do it. But you know what I mean? I could easily do that. Like, I could easily just go and take some trade. And you know what some people do is, you know, like gold. So do you know, like, gold dropped here because, like, obviously they use the measurements here, and like people are a bit dumb. If I just get into a sell right here, I could say this is a 500 pip move because, like, it says 500 pips. So, like, yeah, I could say I've got a 500 pip move. It's like, well, no, it was only 50 pips. But so they could mask if they lost that week by like minus 200 pips on GJ and stuff. They could just mask it by saying we made 500 pips here. You know what I mean? So it's very easy to mask if people are a bit dumb. I think a lot of people do that, actually. So if they have a shit week, they'll just try and get a gold buy and then go, oh, it's just run up 1,000 pips. Like, well, did it really 1,000 pips or was it 100 pips? So wow, GPAUD still hasn't made a high on this hourly, and it looks like we're not going to. It's flipping the daily again. So you can see, look at GPAUD. Look at GPAUD over here. Look at the wicks in this zone. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Look at the wicks. Not the best day for it. Very, very bad price action in most of these pairs, to be honest, guys. So, you know, you have to identify this. If you guys haven't taken a trade today, well done, because there was no setup really. What is the best time during NY session for you? So between 12 o'clock and 1:30 to 2 o'clock. So that's UK time. So 12 o'clock till 2 o'clock. Normally GJ trades happen at 12 o'clock. Normally gold trades happen between 1:30 1 and 1:30. All about percentage gain. Yeah, percentages. Yeah, it is. You know, it's all about percentages. I don't care how many fucking pippy doodles you've got. I want to look at percentages. Like last week I made 9% or 10%, I think. Okay, that's a good week. If you guys are new here as well and you did learn something today, even though we took no trades, we took a beautiful trade yesterday, so make sure you check that one out. But make sure to like the stream, subscribe. Hopefully we're at 1,000, bro. I've been waiting so long now. I'm literally counting down everyone. Like, do you want to hit 1,000? It's a milestone for me. 972. Look at Luke Trades London. Damn, he got in some sales over here, I think. Beautiful. 14,000. See, he's boring though. Like, you know, he's only got 93 likes, bro. He's got 14,000 subscribers. What the fuck, man? What do you think? 15-minute close above 200 neck kind of make a good low wick, then continue going up. Let's take a look at this. Is this on GJ? For me, no, because if the hourly over here is going to close in 6 minutes time, that's a strong hourly closure. Okay, and also, Michael, also pay into the fact that what time is it now? It is towards 9 o'clock. We know between 9 o'clock, 9:30, it starts to go down. You know, the volume starts to die off between 9:30 and 11. So for me, it's probably not going to take a trade at this point, and we have closed above. I mean, yeah, you could take some buys, but for me, it'll probably have to be a stronger confirmation, and that will be happening with volume later on in NY for sure. Yeah, maybe start ranging for NY. Exactly. If you do the data, and you know, people in Zoom as well, I'm going to be doing a GJ simulation this week. So when we do this simulation, I'll show you what I mean by, you know, ranging in that time. There'll be lots of examples. And yeah, you just wait patiently for the next setup. So guys, if you are here on YouTube, between 9:30, 11:30, the volume dies down, and you just wait until the next session. That's all you do. That's all you do, boy. Wow, look at that. Made this little wick over here, now it's starting to continue up. Holy shit, so that moved down. And now it's right up, 80 pips down. Beautiful. GPAUD, yeah, still chilling on the daily. Not the best, not the best. So yeah, this camera over here is pretty good. Let's have a look at the Apple website as well. I always like buying shit from Apple just for some fucking reason. I like that. I think that's fire. I've got the iPad Pro, but that's pretty fire over here. I want to get some AirPods, but I don't know which ones to get. An AirPod Pros are fucking spenny. Bro, look at US30. I'll take a look at US30. US30. I don't like the Pro ones. Really? Why? Thing is though, the normal ones, they don't fit my fucking ears. Like, what, the left one fits fine, but the right one just falls out all the time. Well, that happened on the wired ones, and then I'm pretty sure they're the same as the wired ones. So why didn't you like the Pro ones? Oh wow, fucking hell. Look at this volume. 6:30, 7:30, 8 o'clock closing below, making a top wick. I mean, wow. Beautiful. I don't like the way they sit in your ears. Yeah, I think they're quite in it, like they'll feel a bit odd. I love the AirPod Pros though. Amazing really, but I use a MacBook, and I mean Apple's so deep. Yeah, bro. Well, I've tried to use an Android phone, but oh my god, it's fucking painful, man. It's painful. Because there's not like a set standard, all the Android phones have different fucking buttons on the outside. I don't know how to turn one on. Like, why do you not have a standard button? Like, oh, it's painful. I have the second gen for the first one. Ah, nice. So yeah, yes, the 30 looks like it pushed down over here. Nice. I don't really know how you trade this, to be honest, but it looks pretty good. I mean, closures. There's not really closures below any resistance. So if you look here, this is where support is. 1 second. This was the first support. Didn't really close below, so I couldn't take any trades. Next one rushes down. Doesn't close below this support, so therefore I wouldn't have taken any of these moves over here. Wouldn't have taken any. 30 pip stop for a 100 pip gain though. Damn. So continue down. I mean, it is coming towards a certain support. So if you look here, right at this zone, right at this zone, right at this zone. So you have to be patient. But yeah, US 30. Don't really know how you trade it, to be honest. I'm not really asked about it either. I've already got some nice pairs. This is gonna close. Ooh, look at that 15-minute though. So yeah, still closing in the range though. So for me, there is no buys, there is no sells really. It's just a bit shocked over here. Oh yeah, look at these bad lads. I just don't want over ear. Like my over ear, man. I feel like fucking potatoes are growing my ears now. Like it's just, I literally wear them all day as well. Because I do London session, I do NY, then I do like 2 YouTube videos, and then I do fucking recaps. Like I'll literally wear my headphones like all day. Yeah, I got the Pro. The Pro's fire. The 12.9 inch one as well. It's fucking beefy. I did all my uni work on that, which is pretty fire. But yeah, nothing much going on. I use A50s, most comfy headphones ever. Ooh, A50s? I don't know which ones they are. Do you know what I fucking recommend though? If you guys want some noise cancellation headphones, mate, I'm telling you, the Sony, what's it called? These ones. I got the Mark 3s, but then the Mark 4s are out. These are the best headphones in the entire world, I'm telling you. For like the sound quality, for like the noise cancellation, like I'm on a plane, I can't hear shit in them. Like they're amazing. The battery life is unreal. I mean, it's just the best headphones I could put. Like I've had them for like 3 years now, and they're just still brand new. They're just amazing. Bro, that setup, if price broke the low of the previous 15, looks really nice. Yeah, I suppose it probably does, but for me, I'm just gonna leave it, because if it does over here, stop loss is going to be 19 pips really, or on the high of here 10 pips. Nah, I'm going to leave it. But it could be a good option actually. It could be a good option if you fancy that. I mean, the 30-minute closing in the range now, so it should continue and fill the range up for sure. It is the hourly though, so is that the hourly top wick you're basically saying? I don't know about that. Let's see if this works though, and flips the daily over here if it comes to these lows. Oh, the Astros. Yeah, the Astros are quite good, aren't they? The wireless ones. So you know I'm going to be doing a live stream on CSGO though. I'll be bashing that bitch out. Right, coming down over here, 13 minutes left of this candle. The issue is that the high of the hourly is very, very small. I kind of want it in this zone, so I know that we're rejecting this zone to then come down. But if people like this trade over here, it could be quite good. Let's see, the zone to the next support. Wait, sorry, if you get into a trade here, a little one at this point at 4 pips, and then down at 10 pips, and then furthermore at 17. Beautiful. So it could be like a good option over here. Coming down 30 minutes, flipping, exceeding the low soon. Could be a good option. Bro, you play CSGO? Yeah, man. Fucking bash that bitch. That's the only game I play right now. I literally Bash CSGO. I've had it for like 3 months, and I love it. I just love the game. I like playing it like tactically. Like, oh, it's just fun. I rate CS. What's your rank? Nova 2. So I'm a bit shit, but I've only had it for like 3 months. My mate's world rank, so I kind of play with him. So I just get fucked in the ass when I play with him. Nova 2, I think. I think it's called Nova 2. Oh shit! Look over here. It's going to be coming to these lows over here. Look at the 30-minute exceed the lows. So as he said, filling up the range. Beautiful. 10 pips secured. Did you get 10 pips? When did you get in? Cool. I'll add you, bro. Yeah, my name is Nifok. Add me. Broke the 5-minute. Ah, here. Oh, that was a quick 10 pips. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, filling up the range over here could be nice. Back down to these lows, it'll probably go to. So, did you get stopped out of break even, or has it not came back? Oh, it hasn't. Beautiful. That could be quite a nice runner over here. Tasty. Tasty. Beautiful, guys. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. I think my headphones are fucking killing me, and there's gonna be no trade, I think, today for me. Sorry, gold. I wanted to get the sell, but unfortunately I couldn't get it. I wanted the top wick to be a bit greater than that, and GJ didn't like this price action, so I thought I'd just stay out of it for today until NY session. But if you guys enjoyed the stream, make sure to like and subscribe. Like, it really does help me out, and I will be giving the giveaway straight away on the 1,000 subscribers. So before you leave, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you learned something today. Lovely stuff. Take it easy, guys. Thank you guys, and peace out. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios amigos. Peace out, guys.
Peace out.
See you later, guys.